Trendy Africa. My name is Jigalo. We have a comment from Paul Oduye. He says, why are Nigerians avoiding discussing legend Chief Commander Ebenezer Obey's health? It will be helpful for him to open up so people can learn from his experience and doctors can explain the causes and how to prevent it. Commander Ebenezer Obey was born to an Egba-Yoruba ethnic background family. He is of the Owu subgroup of the Egba. Obey, whose real names are Ebenezer Remilekun, Aremu, Olasupo, Fabiyi, was born in Idogo, Ogun State, Nigeria, of Egba land. Yoruba ethnic background. He is of the Owu subgroup of the Egba. That is all we have now. That is all we have for now. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe to our TV channel on YouTube, Trendy Africa. Send in your comments and we will read them for you. Bye for now.